Good afternoon students. Today we are going to start with exercise of factorization class 8. Exercise 8.1 question is given. Find the common factors of given term. So first term is 12x and 36. Two terms are being given over here, which is 12x and 36. We have to find common factors among them. First find the prime factors of 12. So when you do prime factorization of 12, that will turn out to be 2 multiply 2 multiply 3 multiply x. At the same time, prime factorization of 36 will be 2 multiply 2 multiply 3 multiply 3. In case you do not remember how to do prime factorization, then you must revise square roots. 36 starting from the lowest prime number, that is 2. 2 18s are 36, 2 9s are 18, 3 3s are 9. So 36 is prime factorization is 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. Now you have to find common one. What is 2 multiply 2 multiply 3? This is common. So hence the common factor is equal to 12 upon multiplying it. Let me show you one more. 2y and 22xy. You have to keep, if the exponent of any variable is 1, so you have to keep it like that. So here it is y and 2. What are prime factorization of 2? 1 and 2. 1 is for everyone, so we can write just 2. 2 ones are 2. And for 22 is 2 and 11. 2 11s are 22 multiply x multiply y. So what are common? 2 multiply y. These are common factors. Let us proceed for number 3. 14 pq. Prime factors of 14 are 2 7s are 14. 2 multiply 7 multiply p multiply q. And here one thing you have to remember. Here 28. 28, what are its prime factors? 2 multiply 2 multiply 7 p square. Look here, their exponent is 2, so you cannot write it as p square. You have to find its factors now. So p square can be written as p into p. In the same way, q into q. So what are common factors between two terms? 14pq and 28p square are 2 multiply 7 multiply p multiply q, and when you multiply it, it turns out to be 14pq. In the same way, you can do rest of parts. While you look in fifth part, you have to find common factors of three terms. 6 abc. 2 multiply 3 multiply a multiply b multiply c. For 24, 2 multiply 2 multiply 2 multiply 3, a is added to b square, b multiply b. And for 12, 2 into 3 into a into b. So common factors are 2 multiply 3 multiply a multiply b is equal to 6ab. So common means which is common in all the terms. Here it is 3. So rest you can do yourself.